Good morning, children. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta, good morning. You remember before holidays we were doing writing analytical paragraphs?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
We have done, but how many we have practiced is the question. How many paragraphs we make in analytical paragraph writing?
Ma'am, 3.
Okay.
3 to 4, ma'am.
Yes. We have done the junk food, nutritious food.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have we written about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be seeing your notebooks. Did we do this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. This one? No.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have done this in the notebook? Post on the group, you have done? How many? Tell me how many of you have
Me
done
and
it?
Harsh.
Only 2 of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You both can speak after some time. You don't speak as of now, otherwise they'll take your clues. All the others will write the first introductory paragraph for this pie chart. Only 2 boys who are regular actually have already done this. Today is the last time I'm taking up analytical paragraph with you people. Then I'll start with the next one. Only the first introductory part has to be written quickly. These 2 boys, beta, you read out later, okay? After they read out, you read. Abhi, if you will read, they'll get clues from what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's see what they write. Hurry up, those who finish and are posting on the group, inform me first.
Ma'am, I have also done this.
Okay, then you also read out when these boys read out, okay, from your notebook. As of now, don't give any clues.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Today is the last time we are taking. Or we can do one thing, one of you can read out the introductory paragraph. This will help them. Who will read first?
Ma'am, can I?
Ha, beta, read. You can read the introductory paragraph. This will probably help other students. Start, beta. Start reading. All 3 of you will read one by one. Only read the introductory paragraph. Start.
Okay, ma'am. The given pie chart shows the result of a survey in which it shows the different forest cover in India. There are different types of forest cover such as non-forest, VDF, MDF, OF, and scrub.
Very good. This is the introductory paragraph. Yes, 2 more students who had written the introductory paragraph. Please read out. Hurry up. Read. Some voice disturbance.
The pie
Anyways,
chart shows the forest cover in India. There are forests like very dense forest,
very good. Continue.
like very dense forest, moderate dense forest, ordinary forest, shrubs, and non-forest areas.
This is introduction. Okay. Anything else is there in introduction?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, there was one girl also.
And the our pie chart shows the forest cover of India. The forests are the VDF, very dense forests, MDF.
Where is the button? Good, good. You got your clues about the introductory paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the second paragraph. We just give them 2-3 minutes. Let them write the intro. Then you read the second paragraph. Give them time as of now. Your friends have already helped you. They've already read. You have to simply write now after listening to them. One of you read the second paragraph also by the time they're writing the introductory part.
And can I?
Ah,
No,
beta,
ma'am.
read. One by one. Start.
From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority area is covered by non-forest, which is 76.92%. Only a small area is covered by scrub and VDF, which is 1.41% and 3.02%. There is an approximate 10%, which is covered by MDF and OF.
Very good. Now the second child read the second paragraph. Read beta, read the second paragraph.
Ma'am, Harsh is not present today.
There was one girl child also who did it. Who was it? Bhumika? Did you write? Or Niharika?
Niharika.
Okay, read Niharika, second paragraph. Bhumika, plan your introductory paragraph so that you can speak.
Yes, ma'am.
By looking at the pie chart, we can say that paper waste is 39%, metal is 6%, and plastic, metal, or glass is 15%. Branches and wood and also sharp shelters is 4%. Used electronics is 3%. The most recycled thing is paper waste, and the least recycled things are furniture and hazardous waste. Now, if we compare sharp shelters and branches and wood, then they are equal in recycling. Also, if we compare used electronics and miscellaneous, then they are also
Beta, which one are you reading? Is this one? This pie chart you're describing? I don't think this is this one. I think you're reading some other one. Not
Yes,
this one.
ma'am.
Yes, beta, this is different. This is forest cover of India. The one you're describing is some other one. But this one you have not done. That means start reading. Ajit, you've written the introductory paragraph?
Ma'am, I have written the introductory paragraph.
Okay, Bhumika, speak beta. Speak, Bhumika.
The given pie chart shows the forest cover of India. It has been differentiated in 3 groups: very dense forest, moderately dense forest, and the ordinary forest, and the rest of the area is non-forest.
Very good introductory paragraph she has written. Ajit, now you read out the introductory paragraph. Ajit, are you there? What is the point of writing, joining the class if you don't speak only? Yes, are you there? Ajit. Not there. I'll mark absent. No points. Yes, Akshat. Akshat, are you there? See? Same 3-4 students who are regular. Niharika, Bhumika, Kartikeya. Only these children are always there. Lakshay. What about others? Akshat Sharma? Why are you there in the class unnecessarily if you don't participate? Very bad. Read out the conclusion, children. Those who have written, read out the conclusion. Then I'll change the PDF. Read out the conclusion.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta. Please read.
In conclusion, non-forest area is increasing by the period of time and the area of forest and scrub is decreasing by the period of time.
Very good. Yes. Next conclusion. Yes, yes, read. Hmm. Anybody
Ma'am, I
else?
am writing. Please
Okay,
read.
never mind. Right. Anyone else who's read the conclusion? Who's writing? When you finish writing, let me know so that we
Yes,
can see
ma'am.
what you have written. Good. Hurry up, then I'll change the PDF. Beta, you have already written now. You can write a letter for placing orders. Who has finished? I think Kartike, you already done this now.
Yes, ma'am.
So Kartike, you write a business letter by the time. Place an order to buy sports goods for your school. Business
Ma'am,
letters. Have you
letter?
done how to place orders?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? You don't know how to write business letters to place orders? You know how to write a letter to the editor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's write a letter to the editor today. Because these children are doing this one, you've already done it. You write a letter to the editor complaining about, what would you write? Complaining about increasing cases of robbery in your locality. You know what is robbery?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First paragraph only, format in first paragraph you post because you've already done. What about Lakshay? Lakshay, you're doing this one.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
You've done this. Lakshay, you have also done now.
Yes, ma'am.
So you and Kartike both write a letter to the editor. Times of India. You write a letter to the editor, the Times of India, complaining about the increasing cases of theft and robbery, chori, okay,
Okay,
in your
ma'am.
locality. Just write the
Okay.
first paragraph and post it because both of you have already done this. Let me see the others. Ajit and Akshat as such are mute candidates. Bhumika, you're writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhumika and Niharika are writing. Niharika, you are also writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhumika and Niharika are writing. Akshat and Ajit, have you come back? No. Very good. Akshat and Ajit, as such, I marked you absent only. Hurry up, Pita. Two of you are writing letter to the editor, others are writing this pie chart. Hurry up quickly. Letter to the editor, just write the first paragraph. No need to write the entire thing.
Ma'am, we have to write first paragraph.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, done first paragraph.
Okay, first read out, then post. Read first.
Ma'am, as a responsible citizen, I want you to publish about the increasing case of robbery in your paper to aware the citizens.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good, beta. Move on to the second paragraph. Give the details of the problem. Who else has written? Please read out first before you post. Girls, hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, I have written.
Speak first, then post.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I start from the second paragraph or from the starting?
Beta from the starting so that I can relate.
Yes, ma'am. The given pie chart shows the forest cover of India. It has been differentiated in three groups: very dense forest, moderately dense forest, and ordinary forest, and the rest of the area is non-forest. The forest cover in India is very less. It's 3.02 very dense forest, 9.39 moderately dense forest, and 9.26 ordinary forest, and 1.41 scrub. There's 76.92% is the non-forest area. Because of less forest area, people are getting more of polluted air. And if this situation continues in future, humanity in India will suffer a lot. I just want to conclude my talking by requesting people to not cut more trees and plant a tree on your birthdays or in any other events. It will help the environment plus the humanity.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Beta, can you count the words and tell me how many words?
Yes, ma'am.
Count and tell me the words. Word limit also should match. Second paragraph of letter to the editor, hurry up.
Ma'am, it's 130 words. Ma'am, it's 130 words.
How many words, beta?
130.
So your conclusion is also there in this?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay, 120 to 150 words, but if it is 130, it's fine. Yes. Can you add on a one more line for the conclusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Add on beta so that it becomes 150 words. Add on to conclusion. We cannot add on to the other paragraphs, but add on to conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Letter to editor, second paragraph.
Ma'am, 1 minute doing.
Okay, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I wrote the first paragraph.
Speak. Very good. Speak out.
Through the column of a esteemed newspaper, I wish to highlight my problem occurring in my area. There are so many cases of robbery in my area. So many people has lost their thing, and there are many chain snatchers roaming in my area. So I want you to take action about it.
See, beta, arrest everything is okay, but I want you to take action, me, because editor cannot help you. So in place of you, make it concerned authorities. Police will
Okay,
help you,
ma'am.
na? Editor will not be able to help you. So, right, I want the concerned authorities to take proper action against
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Word
Okay, ma'am.
limit, how many words approximately you've written? Count and tell.
Ma'am, 40 to 50.
They're very less. Add on
Ma'am,
more.
so okay, ma'am.
Add more problems which are coming because of these thieves.
At least, ma'am, at least how many?
100 to 120
What?
words. 100 to
Okay, ma'am.
120.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
add on more problems that people are scared to go out. We cannot lock our
Okay.
houses. Something like you can always add on. Okay.
Okay,
Add
ma'am.
on more points and speak out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written the last line.
Speak, beta. What did you add on?
So let's work together and breathe in a healthy environment.
Very good. Now the word limit has gone to 150 words.
140, 143 or 145.
Add on one more line because prepositions and conjunctions are not counted. So 140 means 120, 30 something. Give a nice conclusion. Think of something nice related to forest and conclude. I hope you're adding on. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written second paragraph.
Okay, read.
There is an urgent need to publish this to aware people about the increasing case of robbery, as not only the educated people also Also, educated people sharing their information about their money and the lockers freely on social media, which is more helpful for robbers to get their locations of their money and lockers. I want you to aware people not to share their personal information on social media. I also want you to aware people to take their money to bank lockers and also not to wear precious rings and chains and jewels while walking on the road.
Very good. See, he's given suggestions also. Always in the last paragraph, we give our suggestions and requests. So can we have a request added on to this for the authorities to increase patrolling and all that?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. These were your suggestions. Add on a request also. Request for the authorities to increase police patrolling or to have a police jockey in the locality, something like that. You've already given suggestions, now give requests. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, I have added one more line.
Speak, beta. Speak and then count. After speaking, we'll count the words.
Yes,
Speak.
ma'am. It will balance our ecosystem and will lead to less environmental disasters. Ma'am, the word limit is 155 words.
Very good. Actually, what happens is when we talk about word limit, we do not include prepositions and conjunctions and, but, of. So 15, 20 words become less like this. So you should always write at least 150 words so that it is 130. Very good. Can you read out the entire thing at a stretch
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that I can see how they are related? Introductory, middle, and conclusion together.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
The given pie chart shows the forest cover of India. It has been differentiated in three groups: very dense forest, moderately dense forest, and the ordinary forest. And the rest of the area is the non-forest. The forest cover in India is very less. It's 3.02 very dense forest, 9.39 moderately dense forest, and 9.26 ordinary forest, and 1.41 scrubs. Rest 76.92% is the non-forest area. Because of less forest area, people are getting more of polluted air. If this situation continues in future, humanity in India will suffer a lot. I just want to conclude my topic by requesting people to not cut more trees and plant a tree on your birthdays or in any other events. It will help the environment plus the humanity. So let's work together and breathe in a healthy environment. It will balance our ecosystem and will lead to less environmental disasters.
Very good. Rest, everything is okay. Just remove those words that I would like to conclude. It's not a speech now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will not write that. Otherwise, very nicely spoken. Too good. Who else is going to speak now? Hurry up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, speak. Yes, Pache, second paragraph, concluding paragraph, letter to editor. One more child was writing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second
Yes,
para, we have to put the ma'am, in the second para, we have to just, ma'am, give the ma'am solution, no?
In letter or in pie chart?
Ma'am, I mean,
Letter. Beta, you're talking about the letter or the pie chart?
letter only, ma'am.
Beta, in the second paragraph, give all the problem details. And in the
ma'am.
third paragraph, give your request and suggestions.
Okay, ma'am.
Second paragraph, what all problems are being faced, all the details. And third paragraph would be request and suggestions. First paragraph, just
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
why you're writing this letter, the reason for writing the letter. Second
Ma'am, first
paragraph
paragraph
is the
over.
details. Nee, that I know, very good. I'm just helping you out once again. First paragraph, only tell why you're writing. Second, give all the details. And in the third, give conclusions and requests.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Try. Last paragraph, you can give your suggestions, make requests for the authorities. What request you can make to the authorities for this?
Ma'am, that we have to, ma'am, the police should do round, ma'am, in every 8 hours. And ma'am, we should have a chowki in our area, police chowki in our
Very good.
area,
Police
ma'am.
picket or police chowki, something like this you can ask, especially night patrolling can be
Yeah, ma'am.
requested. Very
Ma'am,
good.
the patrolling.
Good, good. Good add-on. And would you like to give some suggestions to people? You've already given about bank lockers and all that thing. You've already given suggestions to people. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I post now?
Beta, you've written?
Yes, ma'am.
First speak, then post.
Ma'am, I have already spoken.
Acha, हाँ, you had already spoken the 3 paragraphs. Please post. Yes, post on the group. Good. You've already done 150 words, no? We added up.
Yes.
Hurry up, hurry up. Others?
Ma'am, done.
Yes. Would you like to read out once the entire thing? You've read in parts.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, actually I can't post, ma'am, because actually I don't have my phone and I'm out of station. So, ma'am,
Anyways, you speak out. Post it later.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can speak, but speak the entire thing so that I can relate. You spoke in parts, no? Speak.
Okay, ma'am. As a responsible citizen, I want you to publish about the increasing case of robbery to aware the citizens. There is an urgent need to publish this to aware people about the increasing case of robbery, as not only the educated people also not only the uneducated people, also educated people sharing the information about their money in lockers freely on social media, which is more helpful for robbers to get the location of their money and lockers. I want you to aware people to share their personal information not on social media. I also want to aware people to take their money to bank lockers and also not to wear precious rings and chains and jewels while walking on road. I also want to request the concerned authorities to open a police station in our locality and to patrol at night.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Word limit is how much? How many words you've written, beta? Count.
Ma'am, 158.
Very good. Perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, does I have to post it?
Beta, if you can, please post it on the class group.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Yes, Beta. Very good. You people have done word limit also fine. What period you had before this?
Ma'am,
What
biology.
subject? Okay, biology. Neeraj sir.